I am having a hard time to hear you. I could hardly see you. I am having a problem walking because my balance is bad. That's why I have people beside me and I hold on to people. Yung ilinabas nila na retrato ko before I was bailed. Totoo yun. Inaakay ako. I was going in the car from the PGH when that picture was taken. Okay. Yung pangalawang retrato, luma yun. Nakuha yun sa Batasan Pambansa. Nakabarong Tagalog ako during a State of the Nation address. Kaya makita mo yung mga tauhan ko na nakabarong Tagalog din, meron silang mga tag. Identification. Kaya kasinungalingan yung gumawa nun, yung ginamit niya na syndrome, Lazarus syndrome.
Lazarus syndrome.
I have a Lazarus syndrome.
So
I'm rising from the dead and I don't like to compete with Jesus Christ.